Thank you, ladies and gentlemen of the press. First, you would have seen in the first 2 days how overwhelming or how overwhelmed the checkpoints and the borders were. We had to quickly establish 2 checkpoints out of the border checkpoints so that we could get some sense of good order in trying to get things. Everybody wanted to get in and get out, but we had clear-cut directives as given to us by the Ministry of Health, which we are enforcing. We have rumors now that some people might be crossing using the waterways. As we speak, we've gotten the military in the Lautoka area to comb the inner bank of the Sambeto River going down to the seafront, and if need be, some of the punts and boats there, they need to put it on land. And also the military unit out in Nandi to do the outer bank of the Sambeto River. We continue to reevaluate the situation on the ground so that things don't stop. Initially, we were trying very hard to get all the essentials in there. There are the talks that there's some fuel that may be running low in some of the gas stations or fuel stations around the country. Yes, today it is a bit not so hectic, and we've been able to get more fuel trucks out of Vunda as we speak. But the priority areas are those essential services, and we are working with the Consumer Commission. They look at doing their surveys within Lautoka area, the confined area, so that they can identify things that needs to be moved in. So those are the activities that are ongoing at the moment. We're looking at employing some technology in also keeping a hawk's eye on some of the areas that we think there might be other movements that may be happening.